Some people say to me, they say, Arnold, but I cannot scrape this deep. Well, I say scrape deeper. So Trent hasn't scraped his grom yet. He's got this subframe on the back with a Scrape City tie plate and all that, but he ain't scraped it. And he's like, my brakes don't work. So I rode his bike yesterday. His brakes are titties. His idle was at 3,000 RPM, so they were just powering through the fucking brakes. So I'm like, now you got to scrape it right now. You got to scrape it right now. So he's going to try and scrape it right now. He's going to scrape it right now. First gear, just bring it up like half RPM and then just drop back and just keep dropping back with the brake like you're in a coaster, and just go till you hit it and keep your feet on it, drop it, and then clutch it when you hit it. Clutch it?
No, like right when you hit clutch, otherwise the clutch falls.
Right there. Don't hook your foot, just keep your feet on the peg. Bring that thing to a stop and just drop back on it. Don't take your feet off. Okay, go this direction and do it. It ain't that deep once you get it. Once you feel it scrape, you're like, oh, that wasn't bad.
Come on, Trent, you can do it!
I don't think I can. Sit, and just lay back into it. Don't try and like power scrape it. Just drop back. You just gotta, you don't ever try and scrape, you just try and slow down real hard. Just drop back and just get going slower, and then it happens. There you go. Now you gotta do it 2 more times.
Hell yeah, no.
Probably ain't even a scrape mark on that thing, but it went. Once you feel it though, you gotta get it. It's a lot easier to scrape like that without hooking your foot. You just fucking like set up into the bike. Some people say to me, they say, Arnold, but I cannot scrape this deep. Well, I say scrape deeper. That's a real life scrape. Alright, I found it.
Hell yeah, dog.
I found it. Get used to that deep in the brake, you hit it every time.
Yeah.
Coming in, I'm scraping the clutch in.
Yeah. You have to, and the motor will die.
Yeah. Yeah, now I know where it's at.
What do you think, Trent?
Now that I hit it, it's not as deep as I thought it was. I thought it was going to be like impossible to hit deep. But
Beautiful. Well, that's it. Trent scraped. He scraped the grom. It's pretty deep.
you see how easy it is to learn, kids? You just got to get up, get off the couch and go outside. Go outside.
I'm gonna be somebody.
I couldn't do that when I woke up today, and now I can.
Yeah. And on that fine note, my name's Ryan Kruesi, that's Trent Mercado. Behind the camera is Jay Kinky. We are Kruesi Originals. Like, subscribe, ring that bell. Check out the rest of the channel. We got a bunch of dope shit. It's mostly like this, but with Harleys and everything else. And I'm building a monkey. It's pretty dope. KruesiOriginals.com for all your motorcycle needs. Peace. I'm going back to work.